Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to change your currency on Roblox. First thing you need to try is to get a reliable free VPN or a paid one. Install it on your computer or mobile device. Now open your VPN app, then choose a server in the country whose currency you want to see, like Japan Yen or UK GBP. Now, log in to Roblox.com in your browser, and if you are already signed in, log out first. Then log back in to trigger the new location update. Now you need to check the Robux prices. Click on the Robux icon and select Buy Robux. The price will now be shown in the currency of your chosen VPN country. Just note that this method only changes the display currency, not the actual payment method currency. When purchasing, your payment provider may still change and charge in your real currency with possible conversion fees. And always use a safe and trusted VPN to avoid account disabling or any risks. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.